The Samsung SmartThings Starter Kit provides you with all you need to start transforming your household into a smart home. Make your day-to-day life just that little bit easier. The SmartThings Hub acts at the heart of your smart home. Every device connected to the hub enables you to monitor and control it from your smartphone. So the little things in life are made simpler and you're always on top of activity in your home. The motion sensor, multi-sensor and presence sensor work perfectly in sync with each other to keep your home safe and secure, so you're always ahead of what's happening at home. It's everything you need for the perfect smart home. The power outlet transforms almost any appliance into a smart device. Have your morning tea brewed for you at the simple tap of a button on your smartphone, or switch off a light from another room. You experience the ultimate convenience and peace of mind if you've left your straighteners or iron on. Control your home from the palm of your hand with this SmartThings Starter Kit from Samsung.